All right, traders, another big trend and another big profit. Okay. I mean, look, guys, you cannot make this stuff up. This market has been on fire. All right. This is a day trader's dream that we're in right now. And I feel that it's literally too easy to make money now. And this trend trading system that I've put together for you guys is literally killing it. Okay, so let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Quick time and temperature check. Today is Friday, February 9th, and what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the S&P 500. You know this is the global benchmark. This is probably the most liquid symbol to trade out there. And yes, for all you guys out there in YouTube land, you can trade the S&P on Forex, on futures and stocks and options, okay? But more important than anything else, okay, this green and red volume color band that you see overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary trend-based indicator. This thing is simply world-class at nailing the trend as it did right over here, guys. I mean, it was like, you can see all my entries, right? You can see all my markers. This is all live from today. And guys and gals, just so you know, over the last 3 days, I have made record-breaking profits in my live account. Okay, let me prove that to you right now. Check this out. Can you guys see my live P&L? All right, ticking around here. Just so you guys and gals know, unrealized P&L is whenever you have an open trade on that you haven't closed. Okay, and this being a Friday, there's no doubt I'm gonna have to close this trade, but ordinarily, man, I would just let this bad boy run. I mean, if this was not a weekend, I would just let it run. Okay, but I wanted to show this to you to prove to you guys and gals out there that the money is real. The potential is real when it comes to trading volume. All right, specifically the way that I have programmed it. All right, and let me tell you what a potential trading setup looks like. This is how all of my customers and clients killed it today trading live. All right, let me get you guys dialed in here. Okay, 1 second. Let me really zoom in here. Okay, so you guys know, or at least I hope you know, that this green and red volume color band is your trend detection tool. When it turned from red into green at this exact moment in time, what that tells you that there was a trend change being identified. And basically from this point and on, all right, you're playing it long and only long. Shame on you if you tried to short this market today. Now, when it comes to the specific entry criteria, okay, how I teach my customers and clients is we only take retracement trades. We don't mess with anything other than retracements. All right? And so a retracement trade is any location in the chart where the market pulls back and gives us a color match, meaning a green bar against a green vol. All right? So this is one trade right here that I took. You can see my marker here. I got filled bright and early at 5026.75. Thought it was a pretty good fill. The signal came nice and early, so I knew I had a really good chance of making money and catching some nice profits on this first trade. All right, and I also want to draw your attention to the second fill from later in the day. All right, you can see that I got filled at 5028.5. This is 2 contracts of the S&P 500, and I'm showing you this, guys, because I want you to know what retracements look like. Some of them can be shallow retracements, some of them can be deep retracements. You understand? And if I go ahead and squish this in and fit this back to scale here, give me a second, you can check out how these trades basically played out. I'm just going to dumb it down for you guys and show you my big boy profit. Can you see that right there? Long take profit number 2. I closed the trade at 5040.5. I actually thought that was going to be the session high for today, but of course you can see this market just kept ripping hard and just murdering and destroying any trader out there who tried to trade against the trend today. Right? I mean, how many times do I have to pound the table and educate you numbskulls out there that there's no force on earth that's ever going to stop a trend? You're just not going to be able to do it. So if you can never ever counter trend trade successfully, then why don't you try trend trading successfully, right? I mean, we got in all the way back here on one of our first entries today, and I didn't even get a chance to show you my other two trades on the NASDAQ and on oil. But you guys get the idea, right? Or at least I hope you get the idea. If you've been struggling with your trading, then I have a system that I think is going to make a difference literally on day one. Okay, you've tried the rest. Now I challenge you to try the best trend trading system on the planet, man. All right, guys, congrats to all of my customers and clients who caught this trade on the S&P today. What a thing of absolute beauty. What a way to close out the week strong. And I cannot wait to show you how this thing's going to perform next week. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.